What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Sarah and I make videos about fashion and lifestyle, and today I wanted to bring you a comparison video between a classic Chanel bag and the boy Chanel. I'm very excited to bring this to you because I really enjoy watching videos like this, and I'm really hoping that my critique of both of these bags can help you make a decision if you are looking to invest in either of these pieces. By the way, I wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody who's been watching my YouTube channel lately. The amount of love and support and engagement means so much to me. You guys are helping me grow on YouTube since I'm still a young channel, and it really truly makes me so happy that you guys are enjoying my videos, so thank you so much for that. I have a new schedule now where I'm going to be posting every Wednesday and Friday, so I would love to see you guys back on my channel. Make sure you're hitting the notification bell, subscribing, commenting, liking, any kind of engagement that you have with my videos obviously helps me out so much, and for that I would be so grateful. I also need to figure out my tripod stand because right now you guys are resting on 3 toilet paper rolls and my 5-minute journal. No joke, but we'll get into that another time. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the classic Chanel. This is such a beautiful bag. This is a piece of art, you guys, and a piece of history, to be honest with you. There are some things that I learned recently about the classic Chanel bag which blew my mind, and I want to tell you these facts because the thought behind it and how sentimental she was makes it so much more cooler in my eyes. When you open the inside of the bag and you see this burgundy color, this burgundy color signifies the uniforms that Coco Chanel wore in the orphanage in which she was raised. So she had the exact same burgundy color uniforms when she was growing up as a child. When she was designing this bag, she was apparently having a love affair with a man, and she wanted these bags to be very practical but also stylish. So she made this one little pocket on the outside flap right here to hide her love letters. Crazy, right? And then obviously a girl's got to have her lipstick. This little pocket in here, I always used to wonder, why is it like this? It's for lipsticks. You put your lipstick in there and it fits perfectly, and it doesn't need to roll around into your bag or anything. Isn't that so cool? So the outside pocket is called a Mona Lisa pocket because Coco Chanel was such a fan of the Mona Lisa that she wanted to shape the pocket to resemble Mona Lisa's smile. This is insane, right? I love this. And then when you look at the exterior of the bag, they have this quilting. So the quilting came from the uniforms that the guards used to wear in the orphanage. Chanel was really fond of them apparently, and she liked the quilting on their jackets and also the chains. Obviously the leather was added eventually into the design after many years, but the first bag was just made with chains without the leather, and the chains signify the chains that the guards used to carry to hold their keys. The original Chanel bag had a rectangular clasp, and that was called the Mademoiselle bag because Chanel never married. After Karl Lagerfeld took over the design house, that's when he introduced the CC symbols. And before, back in the day, I believe the CC used to be really flat, and now it has like a slight raise to it, which is cool. Now that I've told you the history of the bag, let's get into the actual functionality of the bag. I really like the classic bag because of its pockets. Like, it's very functional because it does have very many compartments. So for example, this pocket was originally designed by Chanel to hold like loose change or stuff for tipping, but actually my iPhone, now that I'm talking about it, my iPhone Max actually fits into this. Like, the width of it actually fits in. So I actually just put it in there, and then I carry it on my shoulder for like when I'm, you know, not at a dinner party or anything, but if I need to have it, if I'm like running errands or something, it's really nice to have my phone just over here. So I have it for easy access and it fits comfortably. And then inside, I really like that it has so many pockets. So it has one pocket over here where you can put any kind of papers or whatever, but also the inside is more compartmentalized than the boy bag is. The boy bag only has one entire compartment, but then this has little pockets. So what I'll usually do is I don't carry my wallet in this because this is the medium size, and I love the medium size because I'm a petite person, and the jumbo or like the extra big ones I feel like really overpower me. But the medium sized is so much better to have because it's just very classic. It can be taken from day to night, and you don't need to carry so many things in your bag, you know. So that's why I like this bag. It has a front pocket, so this actually fits the iPhone Max very comfortably in it. So like if I don't want to put it in here for the nighttime, I'll just put it into this pocket, and the entire phone is like comfortably in here. When I am carrying this bag, I don't take a wallet with me. I'll just take out like my cards and my cash, and I'll put it into one of these things. And then my vlogging camera, which I have a G7X, fits very comfortably in here. So I really like this size and model because it is compartmentalized already. And of course, I mean, you know, this color goes so well with everything. Black is a classic, no-brainer. So like you can just wear this with jeans and t-shirt just to elevate your style. It's so effortless and obviously a classic. One other thing I forgot to mention about this bag is that I really love the caviar leather on this. I'm not somebody who really is very careful with their bags, in the sense I'm not like hyper alert of the surroundings of my bag and like making sure it doesn't get even a scratch on it, but I really do love it because I have taken it places where it's probably like bumped into a few things here and there, and nothing has happened to this bag. It still looks absolutely brand new and has no scratches on it, no dents, none of the corners, like any of the leather, nothing is coming out. It still looks exactly like the day I purchased it, and even like the Chanel logo barely has any scratches on it, probably like one or two. But honestly, to me, like I don't mind the scratches because I bought this bag to use it, and it probably will collect a few scratches here and there, but honestly doesn't bother me at all. The caviar leather has held up beautifully. There actually have been times where maybe it got caught in the rain, but not like pouring rain, like drizzle or whatever, and I've wiped it off immediately once I got inside, and the leather has been perfectly fine. Or times where I might have like spilled something on it, and I just took a very slightly damp towel and rubbed it, and then rubbed it with the dry side, and again, nothing has happened to it. It is in excellent condition, very well made. I would highly suggest, if you do buy a classic, to get a caviar leather one, because I believe now they're becoming more and more rare, and I do think that Chanel now does not make caviar leather anymore. So if you can find like a vintage one, it would be even better. Moving on to the boy Chanel. This, you guys, was my very first handbag purchase ever, and I love this bag so much. It's so sentimental and dear to me. I actually never have seen this design or this color on a boy bag ever on anyone other than me, so it just makes me so happy that I bought this bag when I did, and I will treasure it forever. Obviously this is also a classic in its own right, but this is definitely a lot more contemporary looking than the classic bag. So when you start off in the exterior, for example, I know that typical boy bags don't have this weaving. They do have like a quilting on the top, which makes it really beautiful too, but the clasp of this one resembles exactly like the boy bags have, and the shape obviously too. Also, this chain is a lot more thicker, which I really do like. It gives it like a very modern, elevated feel. The strap on this is a lot longer too, so you can carry this as a crossbody, versus the classic Chanel bag you can't really carry as a crossbody. This is more of a shoulder bag, but then this could be converted from a shoulder bag to a crossbody as well. And then obviously both bags you can double strap, which is like a good thing if you ever want to carry your bag like that too, which I usually don't. Moving on to the inside, there are no pockets, as you can see, on the back or the inside, I mean the top or the front of it, but the inside just has like one big compartment. So in here, just to give you like a sizing proportion idea, I've put in my phone and my lipstick, and then in here I usually carry my cards and my cash, and I'll put in my car key in the compartment too. You obviously don't have to worry about a vlogging camera unless you are a YouTuber like me, so I always have to worry about it, but it will fit a G7X in here if you are wondering. But if you're not, then you have so much more space. Your bag just opened up a lot. If you don't put it in your G7X, you can probably easily carry your sunglasses, some pads, maybe some mints or gum, but like that's really it, because it is still like a much smaller pocket, and it's just one pocket. It's so small that it doesn't need to be like compartmentalized like the classic Chanel does, but I really do like that it's still like a very minimalist bag, in the sense like you can't carry a lot in it, but you can definitely carry exactly what you need. So that's why I really love this bag. And then this one is calf leather. I haven't used this bag as much as I've used my classic Chanel, but I have seen that you can see just a little bit of wear on the corners because it's calf leather. It's so soft and smooth that you can see the ridges. But then again, like I said, I don't mind that. I think like bags are meant to be used and I don't mind it at all. Between the two, which one would you pick? If you were to pick one, for sure I would say get the Chanel Classic, because the Classic is like a lot more traditional looking in the sense that it's just timeless, it's beautiful. Not to say that the Boy isn't, but the Boy is a lot more contemporary and modern. So it really just depends on which bag you want to get. If you are somebody who carries more stuff in your bags, then you should probably get the Chanel Classic because it has more compartments and you can more easily organize it, versus the Boy is definitely more like an evening bag unless you get a bigger size. But I'm somebody who likes to have smaller handbags because I think the larger they are, they just overpower my frame. They can sometimes look a little bit too obnoxious, which I don't really like. So between the two, if you just definitely need to have one, I would say the Chanel. But if you are looking for like a statement bag, let's say, then obviously like a Boy Chanel like this that's very unique would be a good investment for you. I'm gonna end this video here. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe, and to hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more videos from me. I am so grateful for your support. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys next Wednesday with a new video. Take care.